what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be using these ICF pieces of styrofoam to create a foam core stamped concrete step. So what I'm going to do is take and put these together, tie them with mesh here, and basically make a precast concrete step that has a foam core to it. So let's get started. So some of the materials I'm going to be using is this galvanized mesh, which I bought at Home Depot for about $6. I had to do the curbside pickup with that. Took me about, I placed the order last night, and last night the order came in and said ready for pickup. And then I also got these. I actually got a whole bunch of ICF for free off of Facebook. They're in really good shape other than some concrete splatter on them. So I'm going to use those to fill the void and make the step a lot lighter to move around. And then I'm also going to be using sand, some cement, and that's a type S mortar cement, and that's masonry sand. And then I'm also going to be using this the wire ties, these trowels, my gloves, and let's get started. Hang this galvanized mesh to the ICF board. Alright guys, so I have the mesh tied to the ICF. Now what I'm going to do is just apply my mixture. Alright guys, what I'm going to do now is just try to make some of the texture, the rock texture. So a lot of this I learned just watching some of the videos from the amazing people that I follow and feature on the page, and just trying to learn from their expertise. And some of these tricks that they do are pretty good. They make it look easy. There's kind of a look that I've been trying to go for. Some of the companies out there do it, and I think it's just absolutely incredible, and I wanted to try it myself. So what I'm going to do now is just stamp the face a little bit with a clear liquid release. Guys, so what I'm going to do now is just stamp the top. Just a little bit of liquid release. Like that. And this is the stamp I'm using. Basically just to go over everything to give it a nice nice texture. Guys, this is the first time that I'm doing something like this. I am familiar with stamped concrete. I've been doing it since 2006, but this is a whole other art form, and I've always wanted to try this, and never really did until this quarantine hit, and now I'm trying it. So I got a bunch of different concrete stamp patterns, different textures, but nothing like the actual rock sculpting guys use, like Rockscapes and Canelo Rocks. These guys are just incredible, incredibly talented. Knowing that I do stamp concrete, they make it look easy. There's a lot of little things that I'll show you guys in other videos that are just hard to do. Even the mixes are difficult. It's the second time I wanted to try this. And, I really like the first mix, but this one is a lot better. I definitely going to do this on a table next time, because I think I've done about 1,000 squats since I started this project. But I think I'm going to leave it like that. See what it looks like. Come back and check this thing out. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply this product from EZ-tique. This is an antique color wash, and the color that I'm going to use is Java. So this is just a powder based product. I've used this product for repairing stamped concrete driveways, patios, all that kind of stuff in the Canadian climate, and I've seen it adheres to the concrete. It gives it a really nice look, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that this summer. I'm going to show you how to repair stamped concrete. using this product here. So what I'm going to do is just add some of that to the water here, and you don't need much. I think I have too much water there, so what I'm going to do is just sprinkle a little bit in here, just like that. And then I'm just going to take a sponge and just basically hit the area like that. So the other thing I like to do is just take and spray down the concrete or cement area just like that. And essentially it's just going to give you a little bit more fluidity to the water-based products for staining, and you're not going to go through the product by throwing a bunch of stain on it. It allows it to absorb more evenly, and so I've done this on large driveways, patios, sidewalks, even to repair, or another option is to essentially apply on top of a new concrete surface. So this holds up really well. I've seen it hold up really well to the Canadian climate. Lots of freeze thaw, extreme temperatures, anywhere from -40 in the winter to +35, with the humidity +40. Really humid area where we live in the summertime. So you don't have to be particular. I like to just let it soak into the low areas where the texture is like that, and just kind of puddle it so that it falls into where the texture is. It falls right in along those ridges, just like that. That's it. Leave it dry and probably put a satin sealer on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, share, like, comment. Also check me out on Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. Thanks and take care.